roads lead out to Route 62. And Gino, standing in the rain, can you ask your next guest if they can help me out with the term domo arigato, Mr. Roboto?
I think you could probably help them, Doug, because they'd be like, what are you talking about? But one of the more interesting things here in Clinton is the high school robotics team. They're known as Gael Force, and I'm telling you what, they've got their robot here. It's pretty impressive, but we want to show you some tape too. The team is part of a worldwide robotics organization called FIRST. Each year, the team of students works with Nipro, the local plastics corporation we showed you a little bit earlier, to build a robot that performs certain tasks to compete nationally against other schools. Gael Force has won many prestigious awards, including the national competition. We've got the Gael Force team here with us this morning. This is Ryan Doherty, who's joining us along with Janelle and Anna, right? First of all, tell us where you came up with the idea for this particular robot this year.
All the students basically put their ideas together, and then we picked out the ones that we thought would work best, and we built mock-ups.
Now this had to complete certain tasks that were assigned to you, right? Because the robot needed to do certain skills. What were those tasks that were assigned this year?
Well, it had to shoot into a 10-foot high goal to get 3 points, and it had to pick up balls,
right,
and then climb a ramp as well.
How'd you guys fare as far as that goes?
We did awesome.
You shot well. The Celtics could use a robot like this. Come a long way from the papier-mâché volcanoes I made when I was a senior in high school. All right, show us a little bit. Well, first of all, you got the whole control board here too, Joe. Look at this. This is pretty elaborate. You guys off to MIT after this or what? You just
hopefully.
You just plugged it in and it all worked, I'm sure, right? It was only that easy. All right, go ahead and you guys run the controls and show us what the deal's doing here. Picking up the balls now. And it drops them into that container over there.
Okay, drive backwards and start.
And then off it goes. Whoa! Hey, all right! Incoming! BB, incoming!
What's the reverse?
Fire! Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Ready and fire! Hey! Hey, can I borrow that for dodgeball? That's pretty good. Let's hear it for these guys. Very impressive. That's fantastic. Does the robot, do you guys name the robot, start talking to it, things of that nature?
No, but we take it to prom, though.
You take it to the prom. VB took a robot to the prom, too, but that's another story.
We wanted to.
Now, did you guys win an award with this particular contraption this year? Fourth?
Couple, yeah.
Nationally?
No.
Locally?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that's pretty good. Now, what happens to this? Because each year you're going to build something new, right?
Yeah.
So what happens to this robot? Do you dismantle it, or do you keep it around for old time's sake?
Hang it on the ceiling.
You hang it on the ceiling?
Hanging on the ceiling at Nipro.
Yeah. Yeah, really?
Yep, hang it from the
Great.
ceiling.
Now, do you guys know what next year's project's going to be for this coming year?
Nope.
No?
Not until the first day we have to build it.
And how long did it take you to put this together?
We only have 6 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
Very impressive. I'll tell you what, that is great stuff. Congratulations, a job well done to the Gael Force robotics team. Let's hear it for these guys. I may want to borrow that later. Job well done, ladies. Kim Kerrigan has some special guests this morning as well. Kim?